Brother John Perez, before the presence of God and these witnesses, do you take Sister Farida Aquino to be your wedded wife, to love her and cherish her in sickness and in health, for better and for worse, for richer and for poorer?
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Okay. Repeat after me.
I,
Your name, please.
John Perez,
Before the presence of God
before the presence of God
and these witnesses,
and these witnesses,
do take you,
do take you,
Sister,
Farida Aquino,
okay, to love you,
to love you,
to cherish you,
to cherish you,
for better and for worse,
for better and for worse,
for richer and for poorer,
for richer and for poorer,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health.
even so, Lord,
Even so, Lord,
help me.
help me.
Okay? You may give the microphone to Farida.
Sister Farida Aquino, before the presence of God and His witnesses, do you take Brother John Perez to be your husband, to love him and cherish him in sickness and in health, for better and for worse,